Yo guys, what's going on? Today we're talking about how to get BitLife application. It's like the modded version, and this application allows you to get free money, unlock everything in that mean like free God mode and another paid feature, unlock absolutely for free. So this BitLife application is already working for Android or iOS devices. In this video tutorial I will show you step-by-step tutorial how it's work and how to get this application for your mobile devices. Okay, enter amount of money as you want. The second option is press unlock everything, and that means everything what is paid is absolutely for free. So press generate. Now wait to complete of this process. After finish, our BitLife account will be open and everything will be generated. Okay, now is generate our unlimited money absolutely for free, and now I get this absolutely for free including get mode and another paid feature.